Hi everyone, this is 4 Spring Street in Tullamarine. We've got a 3-bedroom house with built-in wardrobe, a spacious hallway. You've got the lounge room here, split system and ducted heating. Walk through 2nd bedroom, to your right, built-in wardrobe. Going through the 3rd bedroom, built-in wardrobe. You've got the bathroom here, bathtub. In here you've got the toilet. You've got linen area, cupboard so you can put your stuff. You've got the laundry area, spacious laundry. This is another area. Okay. Got the meals area, spacious meals area. You've got the kitchen. Got this 2nd bathroom, bathtub, toilet, out here you've got the backyard. Spacious backyard. You've got small shed. Okay. Got another small shed over there as well. This beautiful home right in the central of Tullamarine. There you go. If you're interested, please let us know. Give us a call. Thank you.